Yeah, okay, my friends. Today too, you are once again welcome to our program. That is Aquaponic workshop. Today we want to continue from where we ended in our part 3 of our lesson, Aquaponic. Now we are at part 4 of our Aquaponic, and the title is choosing fish and plants. So we say choosing the right fish and plant for your aquaponic system is crucial. It is crucial for its success. So aquaponic is basically growing fish, rearing fish, and growing plants at the same time. So that may be a canon. Na asanso idua plant they are coming. Na very important there able to the type of fish or the grow. Na the type of plant ebe grow. Na akwana ebe further select wo fish in a plant no. How able to suit the temperature I want your place, then the system size, on no able to achieve goal. And choose before able choose fish or plant any other types of way na able using. Or that one water temperature. Some fish are good in a certain water temperature. They do as low as 22 degrees Celsius to 30. At least some fish is okay. Like it is being stated here, we have the catfish and tilapia and koi. Truth is so, but these three can strive on which is a low or a cold temperature. In a cold temperature. For example, as a catfish, and also any condition for a beginner, as a hardy and can tolerate a wide range of conditions, making them ideal for beginners. They are also situated in warm climate, which is why you have to choose them. What climate, so a cold, so a bit hot, they are good with it. That is catfish for you. Another species are over tilapia, and also resilient. These kind of temperatures, for commercial use, and trout, and koi, and goldfish, and other stuffs. These are the system types of fish are able to be used. Aquaponic farming, and yakobio and also the fish size and grow rate. Or they the type of fish are able to grow. The way to win in tentum or the ammo baby and also the media aiding. Also choose fish that match the size of your system. Fast growing fish like tilapia or trout, better or for large system. Until that truth, to me, I can see. Until large system, a better feed or plant. And these two are okay for you. Sometimes catfish is okay because ammonia or the bano or very much okay able to be used now the wooduma or the and our regulatory condition also check local regulation regarding the fish species are legal to raise in your area. Some areas it is not legal to raise some fishes, but for us in Ghana here, we are able to rear all types of fish. So far as our condition, our weather condition is okay by it. You go for this certificate from these people. I've forgotten them. Environmental Protection Agency. So when you are given the certificate to work, then you are good to go. They will come to your site, look at what you are doing over there, then give some recommendation, and you are good to go. Now we come to choosing of plant. Choosing of plant, for a less pond or no, a less system, there are some few plants able to, which is green, leafy greens, able to kali, lettuce, spinach, agula. It is azula, yeah, azula. This thing, and also cry very good. Now able to make grow bed, so that also can bring you some kind of money. When you are growing azula in your fish pond, whilst the fishes are in, it is likely they are going to eat the azula. Until say every azula na say a pede if you do fish na, you can put this azula on the water and it is fast grown. Only in tentem until and you know baby na say grow, yeah, then you put it on the water for the fish to eat. So that they will still generate more nutrient for you to take care of the other plants, this is lettuce and other stuff. And there are species like plant species like herbs. Herbs also grow very much well on aquaponic farming. And a fruity plant like tomato, cucumber, pepper, strawberries and stuff. So aquaponic, it is very good. Depending on the quantity of fish and the nutrients are releasing, which is ammonia or releasing, it turns into nitrate, that is using the filter, and again goes to nitrate. You have nitrite and nitrate. So from the nitrite it goes to nitrate and it is able to feed the plant very well. Then we have rooted vegetables. Rooted vegetables like beetroot, carrots and stuff. They also grow by their roots. That one too you can use, but you have to support it with a certain media. That one too, when you call us, we are going to make a system for you to be able to take care of that stuff, which is beetroot and carrots. With cabbage and stuff, that's a fruity plant. You can add it to the fruity plant because it grows upward. The yields are upward. So you nest it, you transplant it, feed it with the grow bed, then you are good to go. We have legumes, which is beans, peanuts, and other stuff. That one too is being supported by a structure. So your beans, the leaves should be structuralized. You have to give it a structure, belt it to it so that you get the results that you would want. Then we go to the this is number one, that is plant type. Then we go to the growth condition. All fish and plants has a certain temperature or will need a certain temperature before they can grow and grow well. That you need to know. So we check your temperature. Like lettuce and spinach, they thrive in a cool temperature, so you are okay to go by it. When the temperature is hot, it is going to give you some problems. So you make sure where you are taking care of the lettuce and the spinach, it is okay. Then we have some fruity plants like tomatoes and pepper. It also require higher nutrient level, whilst leafy green and herbs also requires less. So the plant that you are going to choose, you have to be careful of the type of the plant. Then you check the local climate and seasons. Now this one is an all year round program, but you have to check the weather condition. It is all year round, but with the weather condition you can get a good yield. If the weather changes, you have to change the way you go about it. That one too, when you call us, we are going to help you dive more into this program. Then growth rates and space. you need a very small space to grow kind of a heavy harvest. You get a heavy harvest growing in a very small space. So far as you choose the right plant and you have your system well mounted in place, you are good to go. So that is that. We have best fish and plant condition. We have catfish for spinach and lettuce. You can do tilapia too for lettuce and spinach, but we are choosing the catfish because it releases more ammonia, which turns into nitrite and gives more nitrate to be turned into nutrients for the plant. So this one, it will just grow very quick, so that you'll be able to plug it or harvest this maybe within 3 to 1 month time. Then you are good to go. Then you will replace it with another. Then we have the koi, agula type, kali or agula type. So trode goes with the kali plant or the agura or azula plant as well. So that is that. So next time we are going to go into water management, the type of water, the treatment of water that you need to use, so that it will help you in your activity. Understand? So that is that. So this is what we are talking about. So today too we are done for the part 4. Next week we are going to take you to part 5 of it. Thank you. When you see this, you just share to your friends who would also want to go into aquaponic farming and even farming as a whole. Our traditional farming, our aquaponic farming, our aeroponic farming. We have the that is the aquaculture and the tower. These are the things that you can do, that is in farming, to minimize some cost and other stuffs. Get a minimized space to grow all these things. Thank you, my friends, and see you some other time.